This is how you create a voice recording shortcut for your iPhone. Here's an example of it. There's a little record button that I created on the home screen. As soon as I tap it, it starts recording. It's recording a voice memo, and then if I hit the little stop button, it saves it. Creating it is super simple. All we have to do is open the Spotlight search for shortcuts, or maybe you already know where your shortcut app is, and maybe you can spell properly, because I clearly can't. There it is, right there. Tap that to open it. You're going to wind up on a page like this. If you press back all the way, you'll probably be here on the first try anyway. Click on the plus icon on the top right. Search for record. And here we have a record audio option. We also have a create recording option. I think they're kind of the same thing, but I use the create recording. So far, I've not found a screen recording option. This only records audio. This is the only action we need inside of the shortcut. Now we just customize it. Name, I just leave blank, but whatever you add here is going to be added to the file name of the recording. I just leave it by default as what it is, but you can tap on here and type in what the name will be. You can add a variable. You can also ask each time. There's various options. Make it the current date, device details, shortcut input, so you can have a different action that asks the name as input, and then it'll add that here if you want. I just leave mine as the default. Up here, I tap on the little black icon, which is the recording or voice memo symbol. And then I searched for a circle, one of those right there. Change the color to red. It's more of a recording color, but there's lots of symbols to choose from. So choose the one that makes sense to you. And then tap on this down arrow beside the name. Tap on rename. You can call it whatever you want. I called mine recording, or just record. Or you can call it voice memo, or lots of things. And then the last thing we want to do is tap on this down arrow again and tap add to home screen. It's going to show us how to look. You can customize the color and symbol at this point as well if you want. Tap on add when you're ready. And now we have our new one right there. First one's called record. This one that we just made is called recording, but it does the same thing. Tap on it, it starts recording your voice memo, and it'll save it to your voice memos. So to find those recordings, tap down here on search, start typing in voice memos, tap on that, and we see the new recording right here. See if we can hear it. Same thing, tap on it, it starts recording your voice memo, and it'll save it, same thing. See, that's pretty easy. And now you have that voice memo there, and you can do what you usually do with your voice memos. I hope this video helps you. If you got value from it, please like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. I know it's weird. You've probably never heard of it before, but it's something you should do periodically. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.